Hi friends, this is John Kingston from JR Trading Zone. This is also a very simple video. When I make simple videos like how to set alarm in chart, my friends asked, why are you making such a simple videos? Who don't know this type of matter in stock market? I will say you one thing, my dear friend. People are coming to option buying segment, the most difficult segment, but most of them don't know to even punch the proper order. For that also I think I must make videos actually, but each and every platform Zerodha is having different type of orders. We can place different type of orders in fires. You can trade in chart like that. There are different type of brokers where they offer different type of facilities for trading facilities. Actually, is it important? Actually, for an option buyer or an intraday player, definitely we should know how to place quick orders, quick entry. Exit we can plan, but entry must be very quick and sharp. For that also actually video should be made, but for each and every broker I have to make separate videos. So now I am at present I am not making videos in that case. Okay. Or if you are trading in the market, you should know all these simple things. Alarm in the chart, last video I made, I will be giving in the I button above. Very simple video how to put alarm in the trading chart, in the trading view chart, but it is helpful for many actually. Scaring in front of the computer from 9:15 to 3:15 will increase your stress level. You just put one alarm in the trading system and then you can do your activities. As and when the alarm gives an alert, you can just go and take a trade. How simple and easy. If you want to know in detail how to set alarm in trading view chart, you can go and watch my video. Like this is also a very simple video. In this video I am going to speak about maintaining a proper trading journal. Consider that you are coming with a capital of 5 lakh rupees. Definitely, if you are a seller and buyer, the risk reward, money management and position sizing is completely different for both. Okay, for option selling there are different strategies where you can adjust here and there, you can change your positions here and there, and you can do a lot of things in option selling. But in option buying, the risk reward, money management, very important, position sizing is also very important. More than that, the most important thing is the right entry, right exit. Everything is very important. Above all, when you do these trades, you should know what you are doing. Actually, there are only few patterns in the market. For an option buyer, only few patterns you have to watch. There are only few patterns which give breakout trades. For an option buyer, breakouts are very important. We can only enter in breakout trades, not like option sellers. Okay, but you should maintain a proper trading journal. Okay. Most of the people who enter the market, 80% of the people don't maintain a trading journal. The 10% people, they maintain a trading journal in the form of Excel sheet. Okay, how many lots they took, what was their capital, deployed capital, in which time they entered, in which time they exited, what was the total profit and loss, everything they will be putting in an Excel sheet. I will give you a very simple tip and it will be useful, very useful for you. Maintain a diary. Even though it is profit or loss, you can write it detailedly in the book. You should maintain a proper diary and what position you took, what was the intention for taking the trade. For taking a trade, definitely there should be a reason. You should write in a diary. I will show you. You see, yes, this is my diary. You see, where I write all the positions here. I write all the positions here. Which position I took. What was the reason behind taking this position? What was my stop loss? What was my target? More than that, very important, what was the intention for the trade? If it has made a loss, you should write what was the reason for the loss. Is there any mistake in your position sizing? Is there any mistake in your stop loss? Did you take the right profits? How the trade worked after you exit the trade? That is very important. Most of the people go take a trade. If it is profit or loss, they close and keep in the computer. Then they won't look at the trade. Then I will tell you one more tip. Weekly once, Saturday or Sunday, any day, you should take and revise this diary. You should open your chart each day and take this diary also. Read what mistakes have you created. Definitely, if you do this, this is the proper work and proper, what we say, practice in stock market trading. It will give you a lot of improvement. Dear friends, I say you one thing. Remember, simple things work in stock market. Stock market trading is more psychological than technical. Psychology plays a great role in trading. The three things, fear, hope and greed, is the main thing playing in stock market. So psychology, to control our psychology, we should write down all the feelings, emotions and everything, whatever we had in our mind. We should write it detailedly, and when we refer daily, you can get a great improvement in your trading career, no doubt about it. This is a very simple video. I just want everyone to maintain a diary. I have explained two of my patterns in my videos, one OSR and CPR, that other one is gap border strategy, the two videos. Morning, for example, at 10 o'clock, you just gone and you got a OSR at CPR pattern, you are taking a trade. Then the entry, the reason, you can write it detailedly. This was my reason for entry. The trade worked well. This was my target. This was my stop loss. If after the trade, what happened? Everything you can write in detail. No doubt about it. Definitely, if you keep on practicing, my dear friends, I will say you one thing. Definitely, you can also become a successful trader. Trading is not an easy game. Only 5% of the traders are successful in stock market. Traders, I am not talking about investors. Therefore, you must know how much risk it carries. That is the emotion, that is the psychology behind trading and trading system. So small points, it may be a very small point. What the video, just maintaining a trading journal. Don't think like that. Definitely maintaining a trading journal can give you an edge in the trading. You just write down the trading journal. After 6 months, watch your changes. Definitely there will be an edge in the trading system you are going to follow. You won't take unnecessary trades if you are properly following a system. So in this video, I just want to tell you to maintain a proper trading journal in the form of diary, not in the form of an Excel sheet, in the form of a diary. Okay, thanks guys for watching my video. Thanks to all my friends for watching my video, subscribing video. Lot of subscribers for me for the past few weeks. Most of them are sharing my videos. Most of them call me and congratulate me. Thanks for the congratulations and applause and everything. Next, like my videos, share my videos to all the trading community members. Let them benefit from it. Okay, once again, learn more, earn more. This is John Kingston signing off from JR Trading Zone. Goodbye.